Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so recently people are finding it difficult to withdraw their assets on Neptune Network. Yeah, so if they withdraw, it keep rejecting. So today I want to solve this problem for you, how you can withdraw your money on Neptune Network. So please follow the video to the end and make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah. So recently we have DEFA and we have farm. Yeah. So if you are not in the DEFA trade or the farm, you can't withdraw your money right now unless 18th September. But let's say if you have participated on this thing and we have USDT, Tron, USDC, any of which you can withdraw your money inside. But people are still finding it difficult to withdraw their money, and that's why I'm doing this video. I've seen that if you try with USDT, they keep rejecting. I've seen the times it keep rejecting the money in the account. So I want to show you a new way to withdraw your money. If you go to the exchange, you see that we have NT to USDT. So it means that I'm not converting NT to USDT. And right now the NT value is also shooting top. You see, the one NT is equal to 0.4773 USDT right now. So it means that what they are saying is really true, because the NT is what going up. NT is what going up. Yeah. So you have tried a lot, and if you go to the code, you see that right now the NT value is 0.4773 USDT. Yeah. So it means that it has shoot from 0.25 to what 0.4773. Yeah. Though the NT is what doing well in the market space, but why is it that you try to withdraw and it keep rejecting? And that's what I'm about to show you. I've seen that we have TRX, the Tron. The Tron value in the market is what 0.12693. That's the Tron value right now in the market space. But on Neptune app is different. Yeah. So right now we have to withdraw the money from the NT wallet towards our Tron wallet, not USDT. Just withdraw it to our TRX wallet. Yeah. So we go to the exchange instead of NT towards USDT. Right now, if I want to exchange 118.81, I'll be getting around 55 USDT. You see, but if I exchange it to USDT and I try to withdraw it, it will not withdraw. But I have to change the USDT to TRX. So I have to change it to TRX. Yeah. So I enter 118.81. So I'll be getting 432 Tron. You see, yeah. So before you can withdraw your money, you have to first of all change it to what? To Tron. And after that, I'm coming. So if you change it to Tron, then you see right now 1NT is equal to 0.03.76 on the NT platform. So it means that the NT is also gaining value. It is also gaining value. So instead of you to withdraw your money to USDT, withdraw it to Tron. And after that, you have two things to complete and withdraw your money. So after I exchange my NT coin to my TRX, yeah, I will just click on the exchange to exchange it. Yeah. And if I exchange it finish, I'll count my TRX. This is my TRX. Then I'll go to transfer. I'll go to my crypto wallet to go and copy my Tron address. my TRX address, and I will come and paste it over here. And after that, I will enter the amount I want to withdraw. And first of all, before you can withdraw everything, you have to know the wallet you're withdrawing the money to. You choose Tron. Though USDT TRC20 can receive Tron, but go to your wallet and copy your Tron address, your TRX address. You see, don't copy the USDT address. Sorry for my voice. Yeah, copy the TRX address, and after that, you come to your authenticator. You have to download authenticator and rebound the code again. So if I go to me, you see that we have Google capture over here, bound. So you have to deactivate the bound and rebound it again. You have to deactivate the bound, click on it to deactivate it, and bound it again. So after bounding it again, you open your authenticator. You see that everything's loading. Right now, authenticator is a secret thing, so it will be black. Yeah. So you see that everything is loading. When the time finish, you copy it and go to your wallet and press over there and withdraw your money. You see that thing? So you have to rebound the authenticator again. Yeah, you have to rebound it again if you want to withdraw your money. So you rebound it, and you'll see that in some few minutes the money will be in your account. So I said that right now you can't withdraw it in your USDT, only the Tron. So don't use USDT, use Tron. Or if you exchange your coin to the USDT, it will be there forever. You can't withdraw it. But when you withdraw it through your TRX, you can be able to receive the money within 30 minutes. Yeah, you receive your money within 30 minutes when you rebound everything. I hope you will follow the steps I gave you. And the reason why I didn't withdraw the money is that I want it to be much more, so that I'll withdraw it. Yeah, I withdraw my money every Friday. Today's Monday, so I don't want to withdraw it right now. I want to withdraw it Monday. Right now, to the NT value is going up, and they have promised us that it will be on OFX and like OKX and other platform from 16th September, right? Yeah. So if you don't join the DEFA, but me right now, disclaimer, I'll not tell you to invest right now. No, I'll not tell you to invest right now. But if you're already invested, you can join. Thank you for watching.